So in this video, we're going to be covering how to automate and send cold emails. Let's dive in. Before you can start sending cold emails, you first need to build a sequence or a playbook. In Leadloft, we call them playbooks. So we'll hop in over here. You can see here's a series of playbooks. If you need to create a new one, you can just click Create Playbook on the top right there. I already have cold email playbook built, so I'll just click View it. Then I'll run through what this looks like. Also, I just added task as the first step, just to block emails going out since I will be enrolling a bunch of random prospects. So you can see the first email is generally going to be an automated email. Second email, just a follow-up. And I can leave the subject blank just to use the previous thread. And you can see run blank days and 0 hours after previous step. This is basically the delay that you'll use before sending this next step. And generally, if you have eject on reply on, if you don't receive a reply, what will happen is this will send, in this case, 5 days later. But I'll leave it to 7 for now. And obviously the third email, it's another follow-up email. And again, we're running it 7 days later. So that's what the emails look like. Now let's hop over to sending settings. So this is a really important aspect. This is daily enrollment limit per user. And what this does is it determines how many prospects you'll begin contacting every day. So imagine I enroll 10,000 people into this playbook. If this is set to 10, you'll only begin engaging 10 today. Then tomorrow, you'll engage another 10, and the day after, and so on and so forth. So instead of you having to enroll 10 prospects manually every day, you can enroll 1,000 and then just let Leadloft automate the outreach for you. Next one is Monday through Friday, our sending schedule. Then we have sending time frame. Generally, I recommend leaving this as any time. And what this does is it will maximize deliverability, meaning you'll land in their inbox more often than not. If you select these other times, there's just less time for Leadloft to optimize and spread emails out. So generally, I would select any time and then let Leadloft work in the background. Time zone, just select your time zone. Then for safety settings, do you want to send emails to unverified emails? I'd always leave this off. It's really not too useful unless you just want to really just engage everybody. But generally speaking, leaving this off will reduce bounce rates, save your sender reputation, and it's just healthier overall. So if you don't know what you're doing, or if you're newer to cold email, leave this setting off. Eject playbook on reply, I generally recommend turning this on. And now you can also change the lead stage when enrolled. So imagine you want to change the lead stage to engaging, or maybe you want to change the lead stage on reply. You can see here on a reply, we'll update it to potential. Or if we get no responses and all the steps are completed, we might mark it as no response. So here's a set of really standard settings, and it all looks good to me so far. So now let's go send the emails. We'll hop over to all leads. You can see I don't have tons of leads here, so let's go prospect some, right? And there's really two approaches here. You can import thousands of leads and then engage them. The other option is to go prospect them and engage them. So let's go hop into LinkedIn. So now that we're in LinkedIn, I have a little search here. So I'm searching San Francisco, and I'm searching for the keywords founder and IO. So here's a list of founders. Down here at the bottom are my settings. For now, I'm saying we'll make the segment outbound leads, and we'll say the lead owner is me. So I'll scroll down and I'll just save a few leads. When I click save, again, we're just saving their contact information. Then we're also creating a lead within Leadloft. So if we go back to Leadloft and click all leads, there they are. And I'll just go ahead and click new. There we go. So here are the leads we just saved. Now, if I want to engage them, it's really simple. I can just select all of them, click playbooks, click add to playbook, and then click cold email playbook. Basically, you select the playbook you'd like to engage them in, and then just click enroll. So I'll just click enroll really quickly. There we go. 4 leads successfully enrolled. And now if I refresh this page, you'll see they've all gone from inactive to engaging. So we're now engaging all of them. So that's really cool, but that's kind of a 2-step process, right? We went out, we found them, we built a list of them, and then we engaged them. So is there a way to kind of make this a little bit more streamlined? And this is actually how our team operates. Now let's go over to LinkedIn again. So what we're going to do here is we're going to save them, and then we're also going to automatically enroll them into that playbook at the same time. So at the bottom here, I can see playbook. I'll select cold email playbook. Now let's scroll down. We'll find some new leads. So what I can do is if I click save, we're going to find their contact information. We're going to apply the segment, outbound leads. Then we will enroll them in a playbook, cold email playbook. So let's go ahead and just click save on a few of these leads. And there we go. Let's hop back to Leadloft. So when I click all leads, what we should see is a bunch of new leads that are marked as engaging. And they're marked as engaging is because we saved them and we've already enrolled them into a playbook. So we'll click all leads, and there they are. Here's all the new leads we just saved, and we're already engaging all of them. So it's really, really powerful. It also just simplifies the process. What's really cool, and you can't really tell here, if I hop into LinkedIn here, you can see genobank.io. And if I go to Leadloft, you can see it's been changed to genobank. So what we do is we actually run our own algorithm in the background that will be cleaning up the company names to ensure when you are saving them, they're actually ready to be engaged just right out the gate. And this cleans up company names, first names, what have you. So it just saves multiple steps. You basically just click save. Leadloft will clean up and format all the information, and then they'll be added to a playbook automatically. And just to recap here one last time, there's 2 ways to engage leads. You can select them all and add them to a playbook. And the other option is to go to LinkedIn, select the playbook you'd like to enroll them in, and then just click save. So there you go. That's how you can send automated cold email campaigns using Leadloft. We'll see you in the next lesson.